IBM faced a challenge with high turnover rates in specific business-critical roles within the company. Employee turnover in such roles can have a substantial impact on an organization, leading to increased recruitment costs, productivity losses, and potential disruption in key areas of the business. The analytical approach. To address this issue, IBM's workforce analytics team leveraged advanced analytics and machine learning, utilizing IBM's own Watson capabilities. The goal was to develop a predictive algorithm that could identify employees at risk of leaving their roles, especially those in critical positions. The algorithm considered a wide range of data sources, including recruitment data, information related to how employees were initially recruited into their roles, tenure, the length of time employees had been with the company, promotion history, employee career progression and history of promotions within the organization, performance metrics, evaluation of individual employee performance, role and salary, the specific role an employee held and their salary level, location, where employees were based or worked, job role, the nature of the job and its responsibilities, employee sentiment and engagement measured through their interaction with social media platforms, often referred to as social pulse. The hypothesis here was that engagement with social media might decrease when employees are contemplating leaving the company. Outcomes and benefits. The implementation of this predictive algorithm yielded significant benefits for IBM. Financial gains. Over a period of 4 years, IBM reported financial gains totaling $300 million. These gains were realized through reduced turnover costs, including recruitment and training expenses, and enhanced productivity resulting from lower attrition rates in critical roles. Attrition. Reduction. Turnover for critical roles within the organization decreased by 25%, ensuring greater stability and continuity in these key positions. Improved productivity. With reduced turnover and more experienced employees in critical roles, productivity across the organization improved. High attrition in critical roles can disrupt workflows and knowledge transfer, negatively impacting productivity. Cost savings. The implementation of the predictive algorithm led to cost savings in recruitment, onboarding, and training, as fewer employees needed to be replaced due to attrition. Key takeaways. IBM's case study highlights the transformative potential of predictive analytics and machine learning in addressing high turnover rates, especially in crucial roles within an organization. By harnessing the power of data, IBM was able to identify flight risk factors and take proactive measures to retain valuable talent. The incorporation of employee sentiment analysis, as measured through social media engagement, showcases how organizations are increasingly using non-traditional data sources to gain insights into their workforce. This case study underscores the significance of data-driven decision-making in human resources and how advanced analytics can drive substantial financial benefits while enhancing employee retention and organizational stability.